guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Kid Connection. This is the City Vehicle Adventure Set. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this cool red helicopter. He says power 118. Wow, we have a great big yellow school bus. All the kids are ready to learn. Look at this cool orange and white airplane. It's the AL-71. We have this really neat car transporter. The semi and the trailer come apart. Look at this gray car. It's a really cool SUV. Here is a bridge. Wow, there's a car wash and a gas station. There are lots of signs. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.